अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस अच्छी लगती हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें अल्फता इजी लर्निंग को और साथ में दिए बेल आइकन को क्लिक करने से हमारी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने को मिलेंगी। वीडियोस अच्छी लगे तो थम्स अप हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बीपीएससी एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए सेट 3 बायोलॉजी एंड बॉटनी के एमसीक्यूज़ प्रिपेयर करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेटेरोट्राइकस हैबिट इज़ एग्जिबिटेड बाय। So what is heterotrichous habit? Heterotrichous habit is basically the most highly evolved type of habit in green algae. Heterotrachy means producing two types of branches, prostrate branches and erect branches. And Ectocarpus is a genus of filamentous brown alga that was selected for the highly model organism of producing multicellularity. So Ectocarpus is the correct one. Photosynthesis cannot take place in red light, blue light, ultraviolet light, green light. So photosynthesis cannot take place in ultraviolet light because ultraviolet light cannot provide the sufficient wavelength at which photosynthesis is active. Same with the case of light that comes from bulb. Sunlight accelerates photosynthesis. Consider the following statements. In Pinus, only cleavage polyembryony is seen. In Pinus, both simple polyembryony is not seen. In Pinus, embryogenesis is not clear. Which is the correct one from these options? The third one is correct one because in Pinus, embryogenesis is not clear. What is deforestation? Deforestation means destruction and removal of forest. How soil gets eroded? By floods and rain. The shape of human immunodeficiency virus HIV is spherical. You can see in this diagram. Polio is caused by bacterium, fungus, virus, insect. So polio is caused by virus, namely poliovirus. The tallest living tree is Picus, palm tree, Sequoia, fern. So the tallest living tree is Sequoia, which is about 115.85 meter long, 380 feet 1 inches high, and it was discovered by Chris Atkins and Michael Taylor in the Redwood National Park, California on 25th August 2006. Which one of the following plants is biennial? Banana, pineapple, jackfruit, carrot. So pineapple is biennial. So what is biennial? The plants that live for 2 years or longer are called biennial. So pineapple is biennial. Seaweeds are an important source of iron, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So seaweeds are an important source of iodine. Ozone as such protects the earth from ultraviolet sun rays. Afforestation means development of forest. Which one of the following is not a hormone? Auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, iodine. So iodine is not a hormone. It is basically a mineral. Biodiesel derived from Jatropha species. So what is biodiesel? Biodiesel is basically an alternative fuel similar to conventional or fossil fuel. The blue-green algae are photoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs are organisms that can make their own energy using light and carbon dioxide via the process of photosynthesis. The word photoautotrophs is combination of autotrophs and photo. The autotrophs means the organisms that can make their own food, and the prefix photo means light. So blue-green algae are photoautotrophs. Which one of the following act as coenzyme? Zinc++, lipase, pyridoxine, lysine. So zinc++ act as coenzyme, which is a divalent metal cation, a zinc cation, and monoatomic dication. The expected genotype ratio when two heterozygous are crossed is 1:2:1, which is 1 for homozygous dominant, 2 for heterozygous and 1 for homozygous recessive. When a phenotypic ratio of 2:1 is observed, there is a probability of lethal allele. Smallest measuring unit in cytology is angstrom. Match list 1 correctly with list 2 and select your answer using the codes given below. Virus. Virus was discovered by Dmitry Ivanovsky. Bacteria was discovered by Leeuwenhoek. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown and cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. So the option 1 is correct. Polyploidy is most common in animal kingdom. So what is polyploidy? Polyploidy is the state of a cell or organism having more than 2 paired sets of chromosomes. Most species whose cells have nuclei are diploid, meaning they have 2 sets of chromosomes, one set inherited from each parent. In photosynthesis, the light reaction is known as Hill reaction and the dark reaction is known as Blackman reaction. The dark reaction occurs in stroma of chloroplast and light reaction occurs in thylakoid of chloroplast. DNA structure was discovered by Watson and Crick. Which is an example for chymose inflorescence? So, Thespesia is an example for chymose inflorescence. Thespesia is basically a genus of 13 flowering shrubs and trees in the hibiscus family Malvaceae. Although within the family they are more closely related to cotton plant. The genus is distributed from the South Pacific through Asia, Africa and Caribbean.